how to use Magic Expand in Canva. So first go to Canva and then just open up a design. So for example, this is my design and I want to use Magic Expand on this. So what you can do is just click on the picture and then click on edit here at the top, and then look for go to Magic Studio, look for Magic Expand. So let's look for it, this one, click on that. Now here you can just select whether you want to expand it using freeform, whole page, or just one by one. Okay, so as for me, I'll just use the freeform. So and then I'll just expand it however I want. So let's say I want to expand the picture up to like this, and then what will happen here is you can just click on expand, and then Canva will just automatically add things here to expand the picture. So let's just click on expand, and then Canva will give you 4 choices here. You just need to select which one you'd like to have. So let's just wait for this. I'm just going to speed this up. Okay, so here, as you can see, Canva made a lot of pictures here. So let's say you want to use this one, you can do that, or this one. So you just need to select which one you want to use here. So let's say you're not satisfied with this, you can just click on generate new results, click on that, and then Canva will regenerate 4 new choices or results. So let's wait. Okay, so here, so let's say this one or this one. Okay, so let's say I like this one, the first one. You can just click on that and then click on done. Okay, now we have a new photo that we just expanded. Okay, so that's it. So you can play around with it however you want, and there you go. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.